Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all your likes and comments. My name is Koi Mwangi and I love doing this with you. A non-impediment certificate is a certificate that shows that the applicant doesn't have any existing record of marriage in his country and that he or she has a right to get married abroad. The requirements for the applicant, who in this case is Kenyan, is a colored passport photo, a photocopy of your birth certificate, and a photocopy of your Kenyan passport. For the fiancé, who in this case is not Kenyan, needs certification on all the documents. The documents required from the fiancé are a certified passport photo, a copy of death certificate if widow or widower, a copy of divorce decree absolute if married before, a sworn affidavit if death certificate or divorce decree is more than 2 years. All these documents need certification. The certification of the above documents can be done by the Office of the Registrar of Marriages, Kenya Foreign Missions and Embassies, or any other notary republic outside Kenya. So when you have all these documents ready, you need then to go to your eCitizen platform, then go to the Office of the Attorney. There you will find the Registrar of Marriages. Then look for Certificate of No Impediment to Marriage. When there, you will find a form known as Application Form MA5. You will fill in that application form to the end and then attach all these documents together with your application form and book an appointment with the Registrar of Marriages on when you will deliver these documents physically. When you deliver these documents physically, the Registrar of Marriages will confirm the authenticity of these documents. They will confirm whether the foreign documents have been certified, and they are very strict on this. In case of any missing document, they will not go ahead with the process. So you must make sure that all these documents are authenticated. When they confirm everything is right, they will request you to make a payment on the eCitizen platform, which is 10,000 Kenya shillings. And upon the payment of this amount, you will be asked to state your last place of residence, your last residence, the place where you lived lastly. Then, based on this, they will be able to tell you how long you will wait. For example, if you have been living in Nairobi County, you will wait for 15 days for your documents, for your certificate of no impediment to be ready. If you lived outside Nairobi, for example, Machakos, which in this case was my case, I waited for more than 20 days. Reason being, the documents must be displayed on the notice board for at least a minimum of 10 days for them to await anyone who could claim to have known you and your marital status before. So in case no one brings up the complaint, you will be the certificate will be issued, and if the certificate is from outside Nairobi, they will use the courier services to bring it to Nairobi. That will take some time and delay, hence you will get your certificate at a later date. But once the whole process is through, you get your certificate of no impediment to marriage, which is valid only for 6 months. In my case, they had to take it all the way to Machakos, and I had to wait for a longer period than those people who were in Nairobi because of the whole traveling and the courier services being a bit inconveniencing. But at the end of the day, I got my certificate. In case you get any challenges in the process, there is a number in the eCitizen platform that gets you to the Registrar of Marriages, and they are very helpful people. So I personally called them to follow up on my case, and they really assisted me on that, and I was truly grateful. So don't stress yourself up, just give them a call in case you feel stuck. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, stay tuned.